Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Atieno. If you're new here, you are most welcome. And thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I'm really grateful. Thank you guys. I love you all. So guys, today I'm not in the village. I'm so happy, but I love the village more. Today I'm in Entebbe, and to give you a little bit of Entebbe, like to talk about Entebbe. Entebbe is a city in central Uganda which is located on Lake Victoria Peninsula, approximately 22 miles southwest of Ugandan capital city, Kampala. Number 2, the city is the location of Entebbe International Airport, Uganda's largest commercial and military airport. Number 3, Entebbe is also the location of State House, the official office and residence of the President of Uganda. Number 4, Entebbe was once the seat of government for the Protectorate of Uganda prior to independence in 1962. Number 4, Entebbe is also the location of beaches. Ooh. What does that sound like? I'm sorry guys, I mean includes the busy little beach, white sand beach, hello beach. We have so many, I don't remember others. We have around like 5 in Entebbe, I think 5. And also Entebbe is the location for the zoo, World Zoo, where you can find wild animals. And also Entebbe is the location for gardens, where you can find botanical garden, lake view. Entebbe is also location for an island where you can go and see chimpanzees. From the main zoo, you get a boat, you go to that island where you can see the chimpanzees. And now I think you guys know what is like Entebbe. And guys, we are on our way to one of the beach. Right now, I'm not sure which one, but we will choose when we reach there. And by the way, the driving distance between Kampala to Entebbe is 35 kilometers if you use Express. I'm not sure if you use the other road, which is not Express, is the same distance. But if you use Express, 45 minutes from Kampala to Entebbe. Guys, we are finally at the beach. It's called White Sand Beach in Entebbe, Uganda. Yeah, it's beautiful as you can see. Look at the views, the water. As you know, girls and just no one can separate that relationship. This is me posing like an influencer. Look at me. And by the way guys, the entrance fee at White Sand Beach on a normal working day is $2. Here is my mom, my sponsor, my wallet. Like everywhere I go. Guys, at White Sand Beach they have so many activities. They have boat rides where you pay and enjoy the boat rides. You can also have a boat cruise with your friends, family, and they have nice fresh tilapia fish. This is my favorite soda. For those who didn't know, it's called Stony Soda. I love it from the moon to the back. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Beautiful. We have come to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something, or you know something about Entebbe right now. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment, share with your friends, family, and you can let me know in the comment section what you want me to do or to show you in the next video. I love you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys.